It's time for our second manpower recipe, as I told you. So you just need to get clean water, add it to your favorable saucepan. From that, you are going to cook your water until it boils, guys. Trust me, this is a powerful remedy which you need to know how to make at home. If you don't go for good time in bed, if you don't last long in bed, if your joystick is weak during bedtime, my dear, this home recipe will help you to make it strong, stiff during bedtime. So you just need to do what I do right now and keep on trying this home recipe at home, guys. From that, get for me tea. You can use green tea, you can use black tea, you can use your local tea, guys. Like, you buy any type of tea as long as it is in the box as you are seeing right now in this video, guys. Add for me 1 piece, guys. Okay, add for me 1 piece, guys. Okay, guys, trust me, don't forget to leave a comment. Okay, don't forget to subscribe if you have never subscribed. From that, I want you to get for me cloves. Add at least enough. Okay, in fact, you have to follow what I do right now in this video, guys. So just follow what I do so that you don't make mistakes when you are making this home remedy at home. From that, add for me juice from your lemon, guys. Okay, trust me, if you don't last long in bed, this home remedy will help you to bring back your good performance. If you want to go for 45 minutes in one round, you need to know how to make this home recipe. And if you want to make it stiff, strong during bedtime, you also need this home recipe, guys. Okay, from that, add for me natural honey, guys. In fact, men, I give you an advice: stop taking milk, stop taking tea with sugar. Only this home recipe will help you to be like a king during bedtime, guys. Okay, from that, I want you to add for me coffee powder. You can use Nescafe, you can use any type of coffee powder, so long as it is coffee, guys. Okay, from that, you are going to mix very well your home recipe. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss such incredible videos which I always bring for you. Okay, and of course, invite your friends to our YouTube channel, Family TV Uganda. Okay, as you have seen, you cover your recipe for 5 minutes, and then this is our recipe, how it looks like, guys. But before I tell you when to drink this home recipe or this natural Viagra, my dear, for this tea, okay, you can use green tea, you can use black tea, you can use red tea, whatever tea you have, you can use it. It doesn't matter which kind of tea you have at home. Take it every day, okay? And I always recommend you for such a drink, okay, for such a drink, when you have just woken up from your bed, before taking anything, just drink this home recipe or this natural Viagra, okay? Trust me, when you take it every day for some 2 weeks, if you have been having a smaller joystick, it will be big and energetic. And if you couldn't last long in bed, my dear, this drink will help you to bring back a good performance, and we start going for 1 hour in the second round. Okay, and if you have been weak and your body, it needs to be cleansed, you need also this drink, my dear. So just take this drink every day in your free time. And by the way, don't forget, if you have a friendly match, you can take it to 15 minutes before. Trust me, you will bang someone's daughter and she will cry like a goat. So right now, let us go to our last method, okay? Our last method for manpower charge, guys.